Hey everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the DJI Fly app to control your DJI Neo. The DJI Fly app is your gateway to unlocking the full potential of the DJI Neo. With this app, you can control every aspect of your drone's flight and camera functions. First, let's take a look at the main dashboard. The app provides a clear and intuitive interface where you can access all of the essential controls and settings. From here, you can see real-time video feed, flight telemetry, and even adjust your camera settings. To get started, connect your mobile device to the drone's Wi-Fi network or use a USB cable. Open the DJI Fly app and you'll immediately see a live feed from the drone's camera. This allows you to monitor shots and make adjustments on the fly. With the live feed, you can frame your shots perfectly and see exactly what the drone's camera is capturing. The app also gives you access to advanced flight controls. You can use the virtual joystick to maneuver the drone or switch to different flight modes with just a few taps. Whether you're performing complex aerial maneuvers or simply cruising, the app provides smooth and responsive controls. One of the standout features in the app is the ability to activate intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Quick Shots, and Waypoint Navigation. These modes are designed to simplify complex tasks and help you capture stunning footage effortlessly. The app also includes editing tools so you can quickly edit and share your footage without needing additional software. Trim, add music, and apply filters directly from the app to create polished videos on the go. The DJI Fly app enhances your flying experience by giving you comprehensive control over your DJI Neo. With real-time video feed, advanced flight controls, and intelligent flight modes, it's the perfect tool for capturing amazing aerial content. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.